Hello, my name is Elliott, and today we are going to do 2 science experiments. Now, this one is about making balloons blow up by using carbon dioxide gas. Do you know what you use it by? Vinegar and baking soda. Also, these 2 bottles are filled with vinegar already. Now I'm gonna put the baking soda in this one.
Okay, guys, look.
Hold on. Actually, oh wait, I have to put the baking soda in the balloon. That's what you have to do. You know what? I'll do the baking. If you spill some, that's okay. Now I know people have already put this, the vinegar in.
Time for the boy.
Now you have to do it all the way until it's full. Remember about spilling it. Okay. Now you put it over the bottle.
Look.
And then you do this and see what happens. Okay. It's making bubbles. Be very careful. You may want to stand back. Okay. Who wants to take it out? Oh, you can do it.
I'm sure.
Be very careful. You see the vinegar right there? It's making little bitty bubbles, and the bubbles don't stop. They actually keep going up. But you don't feel, but there's no water, and carbon dioxide gas is actually air. And also that's why it's not really a different, now that's why it's really not a different kind of air. And look over there, there's the balloon. But it was really small. Maybe it shrinks really fast because maybe it escapes pretty fast. But we still have more baking soda. So we finished that project. Now let's do the next project. You know what? You can also shake the vinegar if you want it to make bubbles. See, now it really looks like vinegar because you see a lot of bubbles. But it kind of looks like water. I know you think of that. You thought it was water, but it's really vinegar. I know I see some baking soda on the ground right here. I mean on the table. So this one's a cleaner pennies. So I think you probably put a penny in there. And I'm doing 3 pennies. Did you know this stuff is definitely true? Now, what do you do? Oh, add the salt. So also if you spill the salt, that's okay. Then you shake it up. this doesn't work, that's okay.
Aren't you supposed to add baking soda too?
I don't think you have to add baking soda.
I think
Now.
you do.
Now, it might have not worked, but that would. Now I said that was okay.
Why don't you add a little bit of baking soda and try it one more time?
Yeah, we can add. We maybe can add a baking soda too. That may actually would work better.
The water looks dirty already, so it must be working.
Look what's going on now. Now it's carbon dioxide gas. Now, you may not have to shake it. You want to add a little bit more? Yeah, you want to see more bubbles? Let's see. Let's see if it's going to go a little higher. Hold on, I have to open this up first. You noticed something, right? When I opened it, it sounded like some gas, like, almost came out really quick. But it may actually be, it's that noise. See?
I think I just.
Now just one more scoop.
Mama,
You got it.
Mama, let me go get it.
Okay, so did it go even higher?
Why don't you shake it up?
Not gonna
Let's
find
see.
it.
We're gonna shake it. It kind of looks exactly the same as the other
Let's
one.
get a machine.
And it also feels very cold. Also, when you put the bottle up to your face, you notice something.
Come on. I'm look at the kid.
Mm-hmm.
Look on. Look on. Look, Mike.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
What if it really gets
on the
going?
kid. Look, Mike. Kid.
I see, baby. I see skills. You can pour your experiment over into here, Elliott, and show your clean pennies.
Now you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pour it into here.
Let's put the shoes on down there. We're doing already. Like that.
Looky there. Now it's really easy. Now you really can't spill them.
Okay, dip your clean pennies out. Let's see how clean they are. Place
Pull the
them,
pennies out.
place them on the
Hold
napkin.
on.
I think we've got enough baking soda.
Just only one more scoop. I still want to see those bubbles. You know what? It runs out pretty quick. Now, should we pull it out?
Yeah, I meant with the spoon though.
Oh. Did I pull any others out?
I got it.
That might have been it.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna do this.
Look.
You know what? It might have not worked. It only worked a little, probably. But let's see about the other two.
Come on.
Now I've got the other two.
That is so cool, Ollie. I like it.
See them?
Are they clean?
They look good.
Okay.
So if you want to see more
Look.
videos, then please subscribe. Bye.
Look at that.